Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again in the gold market. So guys, this is in euro today in this video. It's in the gold market. It's not much to talk on the technical side because, as you can see, right now it's, well, we could break our eyes trying to find some patterns on the daily intraday charts, but to be honest, we find nothing currently. And because you see the scale of the overall price action is so strong and so significant that it makes sense to take a look currently on the monthly, maybe on the weekly chart, trying to get something. Here we could talk only using terms of, I don't know, some big thrust on the weekly, maybe on the daily, because on the weekly you could see this thrust up. On the daily it's the same thrusting action. So here we just could see the good background, but to the background we also need the pattern. But with this we have the problem, so the patterns are not here yet. And currently it's the most important thing. Yes, this is great that we have the thrust, and probably we will use it a bit later when we see some reaction. But the major thing that currently gold has achieved is it stands at the COP on the monthly chart. So COP mostly has reached, so here's top was 74, almost 75, while its level stands 77.80, so I would suggest that mostly COP is done, and market is the record high overbought area. It's all-time overbought. So this major achievement currently. That creates the good background. Speaking on the payrolls, in the euro, today's daily video in the euro, I already talked about it, that it really could be the chance that payrolls could be a bit better. Because first of all, market has missed on the last prediction. This was in June. For the June month, they have missed approximately almost 42 times, 1.5 times results beats in expectation. So markets were expected around 3 millions, while this was positive 4.6 millions. This time, market expects 1.6 millions. But as you know, in the United States, one of the programs, 3-month program, was supporting people who lost the job, is coming to an end. And it is over, particularly in August. So Congress currently is not adopted the prolongation of this program yet. And so correspondingly, the people who see that the program is coming to an end, they need money, so they probably could be more active on the job searching in August. And that makes me think that maybe we could get a bit better numbers than market expects to get. This is just my common sense suggestions. From that standpoint, maybe indeed everything will coincide in the right moment and hitting of the target, overbought and good payrolls, and maybe indeed we finally will get some pullback on the gold market. That's actually what we could wait here. Maybe some spikes could be just a totally complete COP for $1-2 above the market here. It's also possible just to finally touch the level, because here is still some $1-2 per contract stands before the target. Market hasn't quite reached it. On the intraday charts, well, we could talk a lot about different moments here. For example, you could get the divergence. On the hourly chart, you, for example, could speak about this, some kind of the consolidation with these lows, but that is too small, so it's not worth our attention. It's definitely not sufficient for any trading, and we need something really, something greater, at least on the daily chart, to make us to make some trades. Currently, I do not see good trading background for on the gold market immediately take the position right now. So we better wait for the numbers and better to sit on the hands, see what will happen. So the weekend investors will just sleep with these new numbers and think what to do next, and we'll see probably the major result of all the stuff only on Monday and the next week. I hope that the background for good retracement will work.